Hi, my name is Prashant, and today I'll show you an interface with an LCD that you are watching at your screen now. So, how will be interfacing this LCD with the MCU? That is a microcontroller that is sending commands to this LCD, and this LCD is here displaying some of the command characters that is sending to a program that is written in the MCU itself. So let's have a look at it, what we are actually seeing on the screen. So at the top of this, you are seeing some registers here, some buttons here. So these registers and buttons are here to send the commands manually. So these registers are actually pull down registers here, which makes these pins at the ground, and these buttons are to sending the commands, means whether it is 1 or 0 in the binary interface, which is finally interpreted by the screen. This is known as a character LCD. So let's look at this, how this thing is active. So it's been some time this is running. So as you see, the counter is more than 2000 here. Okay, so it's been a while this thing is running here. uh, Here on the top you see some wires that are metal, that are bare metal here. So these are directly connected to the power supplies for different pins for different purposes, and the buttons that you see here are used to send the signals to the signal data lines on that. So these are the buttons I'm talking about. These are the resistors. Okay, these are all pull down resistors, and this is the complete data interface. So these are some of the data pins. There are 8 data lines because 8-bit data is the bit that is understand. It can understand in the 4-bit mode as well. There are two modes of operation of this LCD. One is 4-bit, one is 8-bit. In this thing, it is operating in a 4-bit manner. And for that reason, for these pins here, 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 and here, so these four are actually grounded, as you can see here. So this is the positive of the power, this is the ground of the power. Okay, you can see here. So these four are actually grounded here. And on the powering side of this character LCD, we are powering through these rails. So this one is ground that is coming to the LCD, and this is the VCC, which is 5 volt that is coming to the LCD. Okay. This wire that is going towards is to control the contrast of the screen. See how this works. So when I'm using this thing, it's a potentiometer. It's control the contrast of the screen. As you can see, the text become darker and more dark. Now let's make a little lighter here, because this is a potentiometer. I'm using this. Now it's much more clear visible. It's getting more clearer and it's now very clear. These pins, last two pins, are actually power this LED. That is the backlit for this LCD screen. Okay. So let's zoom on that and see what we have more towards it. as you can see here, that the microcontroller here that is using, this is a complete module, and this is a complete development board for this. The power to this board is coming through this USB port, and the power to this LCD is coming through this power wire, ground. So in this MCU and this additional power rail that we are using for powering 5 volt to the character LCD. These lines are data lines, so that are sending the bits information 1 and 0 from here to here on 6 pins. So 4 pins, as we know now, are grounded here. Out of 8 data bits, 4 bits are grounded because we are using this now in a 4-bit mode. So 4-bit information is getting from here, from this microcontroller, and getting towards this character LCD. So the processing unit here is actually taking those signals and interpreting it, and finally displaying the data on the screen. There are 2 control signals that are sending from there, that are register select and the enable. So there are 66 signals that are getting from this microcontroller and are moving towards this LCD unit. These registers that you see here are providing a ground to the pins when the pins are floating. So these are pull down resistors, which make sure the signal that is getting from here, the microcontroller unit, to the LCD is much more stable. So when the signal got floating here, it's put to the ground through this resistors. That's the reason they are pull down resistors. Here you see a transistor. So this transistor is actually controlled by this MCU unit here. And when this MCU unit powers on, this first powers on this through this transistor, and then further sends a signal to the LCD. So let's see how this works. I'm resetting it, and here it is. See, the screen blinks. Let's see one more time. So what's happening is this MCU actually powered up, and first it power ups the LCD, this one, through this transistor. And when this transistor is powered up correctly, it will start conducting the current through the circuit, which powers up this LCD, and then this microcontroller unit is sending signals to this screen, which is now interpreting it. Okay, so that's whole thing is working. Let's see one more time. Thanks for watching.